Mount Mitchell Black Mountain Crest Trail. Check out this bridge.
Feels good, stable.
That's exciting. This moss holds in a lot of water. It's damp to the touch. And yet in other parts of Asheville, you'll have areas that have been cleared for development or for energy, and they're totally just tripped. Totally dry. Dusty down there. That's not pretty. No one wants to be there. Get out of there. And it just makes you wonder, why would we tear something like this down? It's like a rainforest up here. Maybe we want to have new houses on top of a mountain to see the beauty that were just taken down. Some of the old growth on this hike, it's ridiculous. You got to drive an hour and a half wearing your car down, and you're far away from everyone and missing out on the nature that you wanted to see in the first place. What is this orange vine? Looks like silly string. We're stripping mountains down so we could get to the mineral and hydrocarbon resources under them. Why are we using that energy? Because we want to stay up and do work for a job that sucks. Because this is a crest trail, quite often you'll come along here and be on a big cliff with a gorgeous view. There's Linville Gorge. I know that because that is Table Rock. It's unnecessary. So we could be out enjoying all this. That is a beautiful mix of trees. Evergreen, deciduous. I mean, come on. We can do better. So this nice grassy trail is freshly cut, I'd say, within the last week, you can tell, and super remote. How do they do this? 6 trail workers that are up here for 10 days, and they're camping way back that way. Here's the campsite. In order to clear these trails, they have 2 weed whackers. This is what a trail looks like when it has not been maintained. Trudging through the blackberries, the grass. I mean, it gets old fast. These guys are awesome. Whatever they're getting paid, they should be paid more. And that is a wrap for today's hike. Now time to cool off. Not a bad way to end the day. Oh yeah.